Hello students. Now I will discuss with you about the lysosome vacuole and chromoplast and leucoplast. So let's first start our discussion about the lysosomes. Lysosomes we have discussed in the endomembrane system how lysosomes have formed. Lysosomes were formed by the Golgi body and lysosomes contain digestive enzymes, and these digestive enzymes are able to digest all types of organic molecules. That's why I've written all types of organic molecules or materials. Organic means whatever the food we are consuming, that is organic. Our complete body is organic. So that's why the enzymes present inside the lysosomes, they can digest the organic material, organic food or organic substance, any organic substance they can digest all types of organic substances. Whenever whenever the cell gets damaged or the metabolism of the cell will be disturbed, then this lysosome will burst. Suppose inside the cell, this is the cell, and here lysosome is present, and the metabolism of the cell is disturbed, and or you can say cell is damaged. Then what will happen, this लाइसोसोम विल बर्स्ट, ये लाइसोसोम फट जाएगा, ये लाइसोसोम फटेगा और लाइसोसोम्स के अंदर जो डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स हैं, दिस डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स विल रिलीज आउट, विल ooze out, and it will digest whole cell. That's why it is called suicidal bag of the, this is called suicidal bag of the cell. नहीं, that's why, इसलिए हम इसको बोलते हैं आत्महत्या की थैली और सुसाइडल बैग ऑफ द सेल. So why we call it suicidal bag of the cell? Because whenever the cell gets damaged, whenever the normal metabolism of cell will be disturbed, then at that time, to prevent the damage of nearby cells, the lysosome will burst and it will digest the whole components of the cell, and ultimately this cell will be destroyed so that the rest cell will be in safe zone. That's what is called suicidal bag. Now you come on vacuole. This vacuole, it is present in plant cell, animal cell, single celled organism also. But what is the basic difference in animal cell? In animal cell, either unicellular or multicellular, its size is small. But in case of plant cell, either plant cell is small, big, or unicellular, multicellular, its size will be always larger. I have drawn here one vacuole, and this vacuole, inside the vacuole fluid is present. That fluid we called cell sap. Cell sap मतलब कोशिका का रस. रस मतलब यहाँ पर इस सैप के अंदर, इस जूस के अंदर एमिनो एसिड्स होंगे, आयंस होंगे, ग्लूकोज होंगे, विटामिन होंगे, वट एवर दैट विल बी प्रेजेंट, दैट विल नरिशेस द सेल. द न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड दिस. दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल्ड इट सेल सैप. और जब कभी कोई इंसेक्ट लीफ पर अटैक करता है, स्टेम पर अटैक करता है, दे सक द सेल सैप ऑफ द सेल, and that's why the cell will dry, and slowly the leaf or the stem will dry and it will be completely destroyed. So now another function of this large vacuole in plant, it maintains the turgidity. Turgidity means, if I am telling you about the turgidity means it maintains water pressure in the cell. That's why cell is under pressure and cell will be turgid, swell होगा, tight होगा, ठीक है. And whenever the fluid or the vacuole will ruptured and the fluid will come out, the cell will be destroyed. The cell will be completely destroyed. So now after that, you see, I have written here in the circle, vacuole is also found in amoeba and paramecium. So definitely it is present and it is small. The function of this, to engulf the food, that is the food vacuole. After that, the vacuole, they carry excess water and some excretory materials that will be expelled out by the back portion of the amoeba or the paramecium. So this was all about the vacuole, and this vacuole covers 60 to 90% area of plant cell. Mind it, this vacuole covers 60 to 90% area of the plant cell. That's why in case of plant cell, the nucleus is far away from the center due to the presence of a big vacuole. Clear? I hope it is clear. After that, you come on the two important part of the plastids. These plastids are of three types. Number one was the chloroplast that we have discussed. Number two is the chromoplast that we will discuss now. This chromoplast, it is also a type of pigment that provides different types of color to the plant except green. Mind it, except green, all colors it provide, all colors provided by this chromoplast. And last one is the leucoplast. This leucoplast is present in fruits and vegetables. This leucoplast stores protein. This leucoplast stores carbohydrate. I'm writing in short, carbohydrate. And last one, that is the fat, or you can say lipid, is stored here in the form of leucoplast. Leuco means no color, there is no color. That's why these three things are present in the form of leucoplast, or you can say in leucoplast it is stored. Clear? So this was all about the cell organelles, and after this we will start the cell division, that is the mitosis and meiosis in case of cell. This is the new part that is attached, and nowadays regular questions are coming in the final examination, midterm examination also from this cell division. So that is the very important part, and that will be the last part of this chapter. So thank you very much, but don't forget to subscribe my channel. You subscribe this channel, and please read it, watch it carefully, and watch it completely. Take care. Thank you. Bye.